Uh, Hello, dear friends. I hope you are doing well and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to discuss about the method in Java. As we know what is a method, it is a function that is used to store the data. But in Java and other programming language, we have different methods. For example, in Java, we have method our writing and method our loading. But in today's lecture, I'm going to discuss about the method our loading. So you guys know what is method hour loading. Method hour loading means that you are hour loading the method. It means that you have two methods with the same name, but they have different parameters. So I will show you this in the practical example. For example, I have class A. In this class, for example, I have some variables. For example, I have name, which is a string. I have ID, which is integer, and uh I have double. This will be the salary, okay? So friends, in here I will create the method within this class, the class A. For example, I will make it a public and my method name is show, for example, okay? You can add any name to your method. And here, what I will do, and here I will say that, okay, show me what the name, for example, in the parameter, I will say n, and then show me the ID. So in here, for example, name is equal to n and ID is equal to I. So I will create the same method with the same name. For example, I will copy this method and within this class, I will create another method with the same name. But in here, I want to overload it. Overload mean that I need to have two methods within the class with the same name but different parameters. For example, in here, I will say that, okay, this time, show me the salary as well. For example, S. So, salary is equal to S. In here, we also want to print, okay, because we need to see the message. For example, for the first one, I will print only the name and the ID. Let me to make it a little bit more proper. Okay. Okay, so I will copy this one. Let me to copy it. Let me to copy this message and paste it here. But in the second method of our loading, I also want to print the salary because I have the salary in here as well. Yeah, in here. Okay. So friends, right now I'm required to create the object for class A and you guys know what is an object and how to create it. If you don't know, just let me know. I will make another video. For example, I want to create the object of class A. Obj is equal to new A. So in here, friends, when I write obj dot, so in here, if I click on the show, you can see that I have two options because I have two methods. In the first method, I just need to write the name. For example, the name is anything, Hamid. And then I need to write the ID. It is 20. But for the second show method, you can see it is in here. I need to add three things. First, I need to add the name. Then I need to write the ID for that. And also, I need to write the salary. So when I click on the print button, on the run button, sorry, you can see that it prints two messages for me. Okay, the first message only show me the name and the ID, but the second message show me the name, ID, and the salary as well. So this is what method hour loading means. It means that you can see in here, okay? I have two methods within the same class. They have the same name. My method name is show, but they have different parameters. For example, in here, I have only two variables, but in my second method, I have three variables. This is called method hour loading. It means you can use the same method again and again, but with different parameters or maybe with different data type. For example, in here I can use integer as well. So that is all about the method hour loading, and in our next video we will talk about method hour writing.